Okay, so I'm dressed. Keep it simple. Don't worry about my room because it's a mess, but it's always a mess. Where's my purse? I'm about to change my bag from my Vince Camuto to my Coach because I really love this bag. My camera should be able to fit in here. My wallet is missing. Lotion, sanitizer, perfume. Michael Kors watch. I'm putting this on. More perfume. What is on the agenda today? So today I really need to go to Barnes & Noble or Books A Million so I can find some textbooks on marketing and PR because I just want to read up on that type of stuff. And yeah, so I got to do that. Also, I have to go to Walmart just to make sure my battery is fine, and Walmart can check it out quick and in a hurry. I also need to go to, this smells so good. This is the Victoria's Secret Teas Cream Cloud. I guess that's what it's called, but yeah. I also need to go to Francesca's so I can try to find me something for my birthday. Also have to go to Best Buy so I can try to trade in my iPad. Because if you don't got an iPad, what are you doing? I just text party people, let them know that I'm about to leave in a second. No fancy coat today. Literally wearing my Patagonia. No, I'm not wearing my Patagonia because it's raining. No, yes, I am wearing my Patagonia because the rain's supposed to stop. But I'm also gonna bring my other rain jacket. Should I do fit check real quick? I got on this top that I got in Nashville at a Nashville boutique. I don't remember what it's called, but it's on the vlogs, one of my vlogs from Nashville. When we went for Kenny's birthday, that's when I got this. It was at a boutique in Nashville. But this is what it looks like. These are the sleeves. Then my arm candy, let's see, nothing too spectacular. I got on this bracelet, pretty sure I got from Target. This bracelet that I got from Target. Crystal bracelet that says sister. Jalen bought that for me. Michael Kors watch. Then I got my amethyst ring on. Some American Eagle jeans. High waist. So that's the feet. I'm about to get ready to go. What else do y'all want to know? Oh, my tripod. I need to get my camera tripod. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, Lord. I did not mean to say your name in vain. Okay. Yeah. See you guys at the restaurant. What did tell you? Where'd you come from? There? Yeah.
Come on, you get in here too.
Oh, I don't want to take it.
You afraid of me? You've always been afraid of me.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stocking, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time you hear the reindeer fly. You can see them on the sleigh across the sky.
Don't be questioning us. We inside.
Your family round, or go out.
Just come inside, bye.
Oh.
So you can even write me a letter.
The wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire, and we'll toast the night away.
Yeah, the elves made the cookies.
Okay, here. Hey, yeah.
Surrounded by the Christmas lights. Cause someone passed the apple cider. This moment feels so right. I don't ever wanna leave from my friends and family. Love is blowing through the breeze. Feels so good, I can't believe. I'm just trying to be present in the moment. I can feel your presence here, I know it. Presence cool, but you're the main component. Right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know you're right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know. Oh, blessings from my God. I know.
If you could only see my heart and how I shine it all the time. Oh, I get
Lotus lens. There's Tasha.
Until he seen Santa Claus. At first he didn't look at him. He looked up at him and screamed.
Right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know.
It's so pretty in here. Look at the Christmas tree. No. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Now I gotta pay for our valet. Yelly. Hi. You say hey to my camera? We are at Francesca's. What's on my clothes? Oh, it's $2.45. Oh. Those are cute.
Christmas is coming. The snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time.
So, I went,
Put the tinsel on the tree.
ouch. I went in Best Buy, y'all, to try to freaking trade in my iPad. And they gonna tell me I will only get $90 for it. And I'm just like, no, heck no. I don't think so. Out of stock, online, and in store. Until after Christmas. But I'm not in a rush to get an iPad because my iPad still works. I'm just being bougie and I just want an iPad, iPen, whatever it's called. Because it don't work with the iPad that I have. So now I want to trade in the iPad I have so I can get a new one so I can have an iPen. An iPencil, whatever. I don't really know. It's not really like I use my iPad anyways, but $90, you'd be a fool to sell your iPad for $90. And I just got that iPad in what, like 2019? I was gonna do the fire pit today, but it's raining. So, yeah. Guess I'll go home now. Left Francesca's, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, but I ended up spending $90 in there. I'm like, how the heck that come up like that? Where am I at? Oh, I know I'm at. This may end the vlog for today, honestly. Because I really don't plan on doing anything else. I don't plan on leaving the house again for today. It'll really just consist of me cleaning up my bathroom in my room like every other Sunday. So if I do not pick this camera back up, no, I am, because I got to show y'all what I got. So, yeah. Hi, just wondering, wondering what time you guys close today. 6? Okay, thank you.
First of all, this dress got something on it. So I will be returning this because that's nasty. I bought this beanie, which I may return because I slick forgot that I had bought that one from Alphabet. And I'm just like, will I even wear this? Probably not. Francesca's always have really cute jewelry, and they really have like really cute like tops to wear. I'm going to a wedding next weekend, so I needed something for that. I got these earrings. Dang, they're already bent up. This is what they look like. They are just long and dangly. I love me some blingly earrings, especially around the time for my birthday, because they're just in. Really, they're just in for Christmas and New Year's and all that kind of stuff. So I got those earrings. I also got me a little bracelet, and this is what it looks like. It is super cute. It has like turquoise and also like a circle, whatever. I don't really know. Kind of looks like an eyeball, but it's not. Let us see if this fit around my arm. Oh yeah, this is going back because it is too tight. Way too tight. Look at this. So yeah, we will be returning this. Dang, that is so sad because it's so cute. Well, that will be going back, and I may take it back today. Well, that's two things that's going back. Okay, the next thing I got, it was just this dress, which I plan to wear to the wedding next week. I think it's just super cute. So I got that dress. And then I also got this top because you can really never have too many cute tops. So I just got that, both in a size medium. But yeah, work week tomorrow. It is Taycember. Thanks again for tuning in to another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.